Have you ever felt lost? Like no matter how much you try, your body feels tired, your mind restless, and your soul disconnected? In this fast-paced world, stress, anxiety, and disconnection have become our daily companions. But what if the solution doesn't lie in complicated gadgets or expensive therapies, but in an ancient, time-tested science? Welcome, dear viewer, to a journey where we will explore the profound practices of yoga and meditation, two ancient disciplines that have empowered millions over thousands of years to bring harmony to body, mind, and soul. Today, I'll guide you through this remarkable science, blending the wisdom of ancient seers with modern scientific insights, practical techniques, and real-life stories of transformation. By the time we reach the end of this session, you'll not only understand the depth of these practices, but will also be inspired to start your own journey toward balance and peace. Let us begin at the very roots of this knowledge. Yoga and meditation were not born out of a sudden invention or a moment of individual brilliance. They emerged as a living legacy of the sages of ancient India, carefully preserved in sacred texts like the Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, and Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. The word yoga itself comes from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite, a profound reference to the union of individual consciousness with universal consciousness. Yoga was never intended merely as a physical exercise. It is a holistic science aimed at transforming human existence by integrating body, mind, and soul. For thousands of years, seekers and scholars have walked the path of yoga, understanding that the physical postures, or asanas, are merely the surface. The deeper goal is the awakening of inner awareness and a harmonious connection with the universe. Quote, meditation, or dhyana, plays a pivotal role in this journey. It is the practice of turning inward, calming the turbulent waves of thought, and reaching the silent space within, the place where true wisdom resides. But why did ancient seers emphasize these practices so strongly? Because they understood a fundamental truth. The imbalance in our life, be it stress, anxiety, anger, or despair, arises from a disconnect between our physical body, our restless mind, and our eternal soul. Yoga and meditation are the bridges to restore this balance. Modern science, once skeptical, now validates what our ancient seers taught millennia ago. Studies show that regular yoga practice improves flexibility, strengthens the heart, and optimizes the body's functions by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, the natural mechanism for rest and recovery. Neuroscientists have discovered that meditation literally reshapes the brain. Regular meditators show increased gray matter density in regions responsible for emotional regulation, attention, and decision-making. The amygdala, our brain's fear center, becomes less reactive, which explains why meditators handle stress far better than the average person. Okay. In practical terms, this means that with as little as 15 to 30 minutes of consistent practice, you begin to notice your mind becoming calmer, your body more relaxed, and your sense of inner peace deepening. Let me share a real-life example. Rajesh, a 42-year-old corporate executive, used to suffer from constant anxiety, sleepless nights, and digestive disorders. After embracing a simple yoga and meditation routine, Rajesh began noticing a remarkable change within just a few weeks. His sleep improved, his anxiety levels dropped, and he felt more focused and joyful at work. This isn't magic. This is science meeting ancient wisdom. Now, you may wonder, where do I begin? It can feel overwhelming, but the beauty of yoga and meditation lies in their simplicity. Let's start with the basics. First, the body. Simple asanas, or postures, help release tension, and prepare your body to sit comfortably for meditation. For example, Tadasana, or mountain pose, teaches you to stand with balance and awareness. It's not about flexibility. It's about learning stability and presence. Next, breath, the life force. Pranayama, or breath control, is an ancient practice designed to regulate the flow of energy, or prana, in your body. Anulom vilom, the alternate nostril breathing, balances the two hemispheres of the brain and calms the nervous system. Then comes meditation. Start with mindful breathing. Focus solely on your breath. Observe its rhythm. Feel it enter and exit your nostrils without judgment or interference. Just pure observation. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Gradually, as you build confidence, you can explore mantra meditation, repeating sacred words or phrases that help anchor your mind and elevate your consciousness. Yoga and meditation are not just physical or mental exercises. They are a path towards self-realization. The ancient seers spoke of the soul, Atman, as the eternal witness within us, untouched by external turmoil. Yoga and meditation gently peel away layers of ignorance and attachment, allowing us to experience our true self. Imagine a lake covered in thick mud. As you practice these techniques, the mud slowly settles, and the water becomes clear, reflecting the sky above. This is how your mind and soul begin to reflect the pure, eternal light within. The ultimate goal is moksha, liberation from the endless cycle of suffering and rebirth. In today's world, time is a precious commodity, and many believe they don't have the luxury to practice yoga or meditation. But let me assure you, even the busiest person can integrate simple practices into their routine. Start your morning with 3 minutes of mindful breath observation. Before meals, perform a gentle Tadasana stretch. Take short pauses during the day to focus on your breath. The key is consistency, not intensity. Small daily habits build the foundation for long-term transformation. Many who started with skepticism soon became its greatest advocates. Like Natasha, a college student who once struggled with academic pressure and self-doubt. Through simple daily meditation, she not only improved her academic performance, but also found a deep sense of self-worth and calm. And as we come to the close of this journey, remember this: yoga and meditation are not distant, unattainable ideals. They are simple, accessible practices designed for every one of us. The moment you begin, no matter how small the step, you align yourself with thousands of years of wisdom and science, gradually balancing your body, calming your mind, and awakening your soul. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a step on this journey toward balance and harmony. Comment below, what aspect of yoga and meditation intrigues you the most? Is it the physical practice, the breathwork, or the path to spiritual awakening? Your journey begins now.